Bring that bro face.
Uh-oh. Yeah, yeah, game, game. Mm. Yeah, I can't even hear it, so that's why I told people pay.
Opusunju.
Ah, Shaman, the way I talk now.
Mm. What did I just do here? What did I just perform?
All right. I believe you can hear me now. Okay. So let's just wait for others. Yeah. So this time is going to be talks. So we're supposed to be talking, and then I'll be just want to get reviews. So let me start from you, Christian. Christian, have you been attending classes? Are you front end or back end? So let me start from there. Yeah, Christian, can you hear me? Yeah, are you front end or back end? Okay, good. So how have the classes like? How's the classes so far? How's the classes so far? Like, what are your reviews? What are your challenges? Okay, that should be an issue though. But you could you come back to watch the replays? You come back to watch the replays of like from the live stream. So that's bad. So I don't know. So do you have any reason or I don't know how to ask you the question I want to ask you now. So I don't think you actually understand. But okay, so what's your review on the training so far? Let me ask you this. Like what's your review on the training so far? Yeah, on the training, like on, on the training, like um this tech training, yes. I just wanted to ask you whether you should give a review about it. So what will you say? Yeah, I just need your honest review, like from maybe you've attended first class, so I think you understand. Your review on the training, that's what I mean. So do you understand the question, Christian? All right. So what's your review? Yeah. Okay. So I think we should maybe the next one we are going to make it a Google Meet. We're going to make it a Google Meet. Okay, but you can only chat for now. And you're going to stream it. Yeah, so next one I'm going to make it a Google Meet. But you can just drop a short review or your own review on it. If I- Okay. All right then. That's fine. That's fine. No problem. I will going to just still wait for others. You can like the stream, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so you can check the channel. All right, check the YouTube channel. This Jodna Technology YouTube channel. You're going to see all the videos from the live stream. So all our videos are from the live stream. Okay, so we're going to actually bring out the edits also. That's how I catch up though. Uh, I just wait for like 3 minutes and then we call it a day. All right, that's very good. Thank you, Christian. So we love your review on the next meeting. That is next weekend. We do this in every weekend. All right, so I don't think there's anyone for now. I don't want to do any recording today. I just want to hear you guys' opinions so that we know if you're actually on the right path. Okay, we have another person. Who's the next person that joined? Please introduce yourself and let me hear your reviews. Okay, let me do something. What's your screen so far? So if you just joined, um, say hi to the chat, and so we can have this honest review. All right. Hello, Dennis. Okay. About to close. So, what's your experience so far since you started the training? Yeah. Good evening, Dennis. All right. Cool. So, are you front end or back end?
Moses, pass my code. Pass my code.
Okay. Okay. For back end, very good. All right. So, what have you learned so far in your back end? I hope you did the assignment. Have you done the first assignment? I don't say if you be attending some classes. All right. Okay. 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 The backend now focus as the backend. All right. So that's so we. Hmm. I think the way it started badly. That is why. Welcome, Larry. Good evening. So that's why. That's why. But it to be corrected. Yeah. Actually, practicing. Yeah, practicing is the major thing. You get after the class. The major thing I just expose you to something new, so you have to actually practice it. Not cram it, practice it to understand it, and then try to apply it into different things. That's the only way you understand better. All right, but it's great if you have done the assignment. That means you are very, very active. All right, so but we will be able to balance it. There are 2 days class minimum every week, and instead of those 2 days, you are given assignments. Okay, so I don't want to go down into details of the whole thing that we have planned, but one day was for front end, and the other was for back end. Then weekends are times that we come and talk and we have reviews. So this is the first one we have. But I feel we are going to use Google Meet next time so that it's easier for everyone to talk now, stream it on YouTube. All right. Thank you, Dennis. All right, Larry. Larry K. Good evening. Okay, so Larry K, can you hear me? See, you should be thanking me. And just need the just need the reviews and stuff. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, thanks to Jodna though. I'm working on that Jodna. So, well, yeah, Jodna is the one that is welcome. Yeah, so the end point is for you guys to also learn. So my own joy inside this, my own joy in this training, sorry, is for you guys to learn, at least understand, and then able to practice. At least you should have the foundations before the end of this 1 month training. That's my joy. Okay. I know I've been slacking a bit. I have to make some videos. I'll make our time to do that. There are some videos I have to make, but I'll make our time to do that for you. But thank you once again, Dennis, and you're welcome. All right. Larry K, if you can hear me, you can just say hi on the chat. Or if anyone else can hear me apart from Christian and Dennis, you can say hi on the chat. All right. So who else? Who else? Who else? Please like the screen, like the streams, subscribe. Uh, so apologies for this one. This is our first. This is our first meeting. Our first weekend talk. And the next one is going to be on Google Meet, so that it's more fun and it's not stressful and it's be more real time. Okay, 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 okay. Let's do it for others. I really don't want this thing to be long, but if more people come, I'll make it long. I think all of us here have talked, spoken. So maybe let's see if there's anyone else till like 9, 9:30. Yeah, 9:30 or 9:35. We don't have, so we'll just call it a day. And yeah, it has been fun. Thank you, Dan. Sorry. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Christian. So we are just doing this thing to get feedback for the community. Okay, so that we'll know what and what to actually do next. Okay, so that's why we have these weekend talks, so we can have feedbacks and also learn um what and what the community needs and how we can make it easier for you guys. Uh, so for those people that, let me just give you a little bit just while we're waiting for people. All right, for those people that choose front end, okay. Now, I will advise you start documenting your journey in the sense that start now. Okay, start posting on social media. I want to list out two that you should actually take serious. One is X, that is Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay, so start just share your journey. You can even use YouTube too, no problem. The major thing is just to have it documented. Okay, just you don't need to overthink it. You can just okay today I learned this. Just your daily reports. That is all. You don't need to overthink it. Post your daily report. Engage with people. You get, especially on X and LinkedIn. So it's going to help you, and then it's going to build up this character for you. That is one of the that is the major mistakes most developers do. So once you know, the more you do, every day you do it, the easier it becomes, and the more you understand how the app works. There are different ways the app works. So the more you understand how the app works, and the more you are able to create valuable content. Social media is going to actually pave way for you easily. It's going to give you a community, and it's going to give people that are guys actually align with your values, and also it's going to give you a job easily. It's going to give you a job easily. That's what social media can do. This is just the basics of what social media can do. But it can do a whole lot. But I think getting a job is one major thing, has one hardest thing for a junior developer. But it's going to be very easy for you as a junior developer. Okay, once they see that your whole build is on this thing, so it builds trust. So now, if other people are sending CVs, you cannot send them your links to your socials or one of your videos talking about what they want you to do, that you have done something like that before. All those things that makes you unique and different. Because other people do not send videos. How come you sent yours? So that's just a tip. The other tips were it's just one of them. So alright, so if you're joining just now, you can just say your name, you can just say something in the chat, say hi. So this meeting don't have to end, if at all. Okay. Alright. So in less than 1 minute, I'll be stopping the stream. Thank you all once again for joining. We hope to do this thing. I will do this some other time. Let me see this Q&A. Yeah, another thing, practice, please. Practice. Practice. If you leave code in 1 day, it leaves you 2 days as a beginner, trust me. If you leave it 3 days, it leaves you six. So practice. Okay. Thank you all for joining. Bye. Good night.